We spend a lot of time telling ourselves, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start next week, I'll fix things when I'm less tired. But tomorrow never really comes. Tomorrow is just an idea in your head. The only real time we'll ever have is right now. Putting things off feels good in the short term. When you say, I will do it later, your brain feels relieved. You get to feel good about planning without having to do any of the hard work yet. But every time you break a promise to yourself, you start to lose trust in your own words. Big changes rarely happen overnight. They come from small, boring choices made every single day. Doing 5 minutes of work instead of 0. Putting your phone away when you sit down to focus. Choosing to fix a small problem now instead of waiting until it gets bigger. You don't have to fix your whole life today. You just have to make one good choice in the next 10 minutes. If you feel stuck today, keep these 3 simple rules in mind. 1. Make the first step tiny. Don't write a whole chapter, just write one sentence. 2. Stop overthinking. When you know you need to do something, start before your brain has time to make up excuses. 3. Focus on today. You can't change yesterday and you can't control next month. You don't need a special date, a Monday or a new year to begin. You just need to choose right now. Close this video, pick one small thing you have been putting off and do it. Tomorrow starts with what you do next.